Thank you for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the week ahead's weather video discussion for the first week of April 2011. It's going to be a very active one, and we'll get into it right now. Plenty of blue skies across the forecast region this Sunday morning. We find mild temperatures anywhere from the 40s down through the mid-50s across the Mid-Atlantic. And looking at the latest water vapor imagery this morning across the eastern half of the United States, plenty of very dry air here across the southeastern United States, indicated by these black and reds. A very strong high pressure at 1022 millibars across Georgia and South Carolina this morning. Also, mid-level ridge of high pressure across the northern United States, extending all the way into the southern New England area. Very dry air here across northern New Jersey and down through the Delmarva, indicated by the black, which is a descending air, and that descending air is actually going to produce generally a lot of sunshine throughout today. However, notice to our west now, we've got high cirrus clouds and higher cloud tops now rolling over the top of this ridge. A very strong and active weather system developing out here across the plain states, and this will be barreling through the area during Tuesday. Ahead of it will be a very strong warm front, which will be moving through the northern mid-Atlantic with thickening clouds during tonight and tomorrow morning, and even some showers across the region from Pennsylvania all the way through southern New England tomorrow morning. And then sunshine returns during tomorrow afternoon, and then this strong cold front here out to the west begins to sharpen and move in our direction by Monday night and Tuesday morning. And so we'll start off today with an exiting trough over the northeastern United States and high pressure ridging up from the central and southeastern United States all the way into the mid-Atlantic, producing a downslope northwest flow. As we move through the day today, we find sometimes a little problem getting these graphics to slow down. Move through today, we find low pressure now approaching the upper Midwest, and you can generally see the lighter green shading there, indicating some of the rainfall that's moving through the area. Notice how the winds remain out of the west and northwest here along the mid-Atlantic coast, and that is indicative of still high pressure moving off the coast, and also the upper level trough over the northeastern New England area exiting out to sea. As we move in time across Pennsylvania and Ohio, the winds are backing now into the southeast, and this is for tomorrow just after midnight tonight, and that is an indication that the warm front is approaching the region. Also notice the dotted blue lines across northern New Jersey, the 540 thickness line, and that is generally an indication of where we're going to find height rises as the warm front moves through. It moves through the area tomorrow morning. You can see some of the rain now breaking out ahead along the warm front across northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and the New York City metropolitan area. Go through the afternoon, low pressure now moving towards the Great Lakes, and we find a low pressure system trying to develop along the cold front now. If we can slow this down and just stop here, which probably can't do. I'm going to just go back up here now. Cold front moving through just west of through the Ohio Valley. A couple of rain segments along the front. Moving through the day, notice the southerly flow that has developed on Tuesday morning now, actually Monday afternoon and Monday night across all of the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Warm front now well into southern New England. And this is where sunshine is going to increase, and temperatures are going to respond nicely tomorrow afternoon with sunshine across southern New Jersey, and we might even get more sunshine across northern New Jersey too, and we'll take a look at that in the next graphic to come. Moving through, you can see a very heavy swath of rain now across the Mississippi and Tennessee Valley area. This is the cold front. We find a small area, 991 millibar low, on Tuesday morning just after midnight, developing across southern Pennsylvania, and this is indicative of this little bit of a slowing of the front, not by much though, and some of the rainfall amounts just to the west and south of there. The cold front comes through, winds now back from south and southwest to the northwest during Tuesday morning, and notice some of the darker or lighter blue colors here across Pennsylvania and also across the Delmarva area. As the cold front moves through the region, winds are going to pick up from the west-northwest, and drier air are going to be moving into the region. High pressure builds across the south states, and you can see the ridging now aloft all the way with a westerly flow across the northern mid-Atlantic region. And this is for the day, Tuesday night into Wednesday. And we move through, high pressure moves off the Carolina coast, but notice another small disturbance now across the Great Lakes region. And that will be moving in our direction with another frontal system approaching. The winds will be from the west and southwest as that warm front moves through the area on Wednesday afternoon. Some rain showers get in here predominantly on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. And then that area, the warm front begins to kind of hold its own as high pressure continues to build over southern New England. That disturbance moves off the coast. High pressure then gains control. Northwesterly winds are back in here on Thursday again, and we find another disturbance getting organized across the plain states, and that will be moving in our direction as the winds come in from offshore now. High pressure off the New England coast, a backing wind out of the east-northeast. And then another warm front approaches for the region on Friday morning. Rain showers break out now across central and southern Ohio and Pennsylvania. And this disturbance now again moves through southern New England. And rain showers across the region on Saturday, Friday night, and Saturday morning. That disturbance moves off the coast, and somewhat drier air moves in. Notice another disturbance moving in for later in the day on Saturday and Saturday night. Again, an onshore flow, an east-northeast wind ahead of the system, and this could spell some moderate to heavy rain showers across the region on Saturday night, just after midnight into Sunday morning, especially across northern New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area all the way down to the coast. And then high pressure builds in weekly, another strong cold front moving through the area on a southwesterly wind across the region on Monday, Sunday night and Monday, and that will increase our cloud cover once again with a few showers along the front. That begins to break off to another system entering the fray, and we get into this very rapid weather pattern here where we find another closed mid-level low pressure system moving through the mid-Atlantic states on Monday night and Tuesday. Another cold front moves through the region. Showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm or two cannot be ruled out at that time. And then once again, during next week, we back the flow into the northwest as high pressure begins to build across the forecast region. And that's it for the forecast discussion for today. We'll be back later tonight with more information. I'm forecaster Robert Smith for GardenStateWeather.com. You enjoy the day.